All right, guys, we are back again. How you guys doing today? We're going to be talking about Natasha versus Akpabio or Akpabio. I had to mention his name. You know, see this name since where this Natasha situation they happen. To mention that name now, the Senate president, but can somebody remind me? They had to mention that name, Akpabio. Akpabio. Yes, Akpabio. We have 3 videos for you. These 3 videos, one will shock you, while the second one will re-shock you, while the third one go put smile for your face. This particular video, so as I know, say what happened between Natasha Akpoti and Senate President Akpabio, it's still a go on. The concerned Nigerians refuse to just let go like that. Like many of us always move on. We easily move on. For Nigeria, they don't push us to the war. We don't go through the war. You know, so they are still, I don't understand. Do you know that whether I'm Akpabio, whether I'm a wife, I don't know who organized these protests. There are some women who came out to protest against Natasha. They are telling Natasha to leave Akpabio alone. It's a serious thing. My concern now be say these women, so if I make una watch her first, may not be like say I don't talk pass with your one show now. Watch these women. You see, I have to cut that video there because the video long past that one. My concern now be say, these are mothers. I want to call on the children of this, our mama so. All this our EA. We occupy the street against their fellow woman. This EA so, when I say they protest so, they be woman. Many of them for a year, if you ask them, say, why are you protesting? They don't know. They were put together, allegedly, and assigned maybe 5,000 naira, as usual, now normally for votes, you know, now they be say 5,000 naira, occupy the street, speak against his own name, make una talk and make we hear him. Say Natasha, that one go say Natasha. Talk am again, Natasha, that one go say Natasha. Go so yeah, more na enter street. More na go tell and say, make she leave Akpabio alone. If you call all these ESO, all these madam so privately, make you ask them, why are you protesting? They're not going to know. And none of these women come out to protest about the hunger, the inflation that is going on in Nigeria. They are protesting against their own fellow woman. The kind of protest I was waiting to see women coming out to speak for this particular woman, Natasha. But I said, make a carry my can give you. But to know that shocking one, who I want to see so. This particular one, so this one, an elderly woman, no. He won't let us know or let you know the kind of people that are supposed to be at the Senate. Retired people, the sick people, people with all they sick, people with all get mental problem, we already dilapidated, expired people. He said, I suppose they did Senate and all that. But sarcastically, in fact, watch this video.
It's all about management. You know, the Senate is for the elderly. It's not for the young. It's for people who would have been through life, seen it all, and are willing to just work.
Supposedly seen it all.
Seen it all, supposedly. And work well for the country. And so when you are there, you comport yourself, you manage people. Order 10 is not difficult to manage, but the chief whip stood up before she proclaimed Order 10 and said to the Senate President, Senator Natasha cannot speak from there because she's not on her allotted seat.
Okay, so it was not started by the President of the Senate?
No, it was the chief whip.
That caution.
And that is his job. He is in charge of the chambers. He maintains law and order. That is why he's called the chief whip. The Senate President didn't start it. I watched it. It was the chief whip that got up and laid a complaint, and then the Senate President ruled on it. Once the gavel goes down, you really cannot do much because it's over. So he ruled on it and said, you must go to your seat before you speak. So whatever order you bring after then cannot work.
So Order 10 does not work here?
It cannot work.
So she's out of order?
That was what the Senate President said. I rule this out of order. And when it's out of order, it's out of order.
You're wasting your time.
The rest is history.
Now, this one they told, say the people that are supposed to be at the Senate now retired elderly individualisms. Other countries, the youth are taking over their countries. Young ones, the young shall grow doesn't exist in Nigeria. They only say it, the young shall grow. You are the future of tomorrow or whatever. This woman is telling us now that the people that are supposed to be at the Senate, not ordinary younger people, automatically Natasha not get sense. What did she do there? She don't understand what is happening at the Senate. This woman came out stylishly, directly to support Akpabio and his wife. That's another shocking video. But the one I want to play so, it will calm you down. It will calm you down, it will calm me down, it will calm everybody down. This one have youth like us. We could have listened to what this our lady want to talk for here.
I think I'm going to just speak because I'm not Senator Natasha's representative, but I'm going to speak as a woman that works or has ever worked in a male-dominated space. And I think one thing that the senator said that we must all, or every woman that has listened to that interview, felt to be true deep down in her bones, is that it's just like a case of a university lecturer failing you simply because you refuse to sleep with him. When women talk about cases of sexual harassment, they always say keep quiet, don't speak about it. No, it's because of what you're wearing. It's because of you invited it. There's an invitation to treat. Simply by existing, we make women feel like they are inviting people to come and sexually harass them. And this is the culture in which Nigerian women have always existed. Have people found ways to exist in spite of this culture? Yes. But are we saying that it is all right, it is right? Absolutely not. So when people are speaking up against it, at whatever time we said speak up against it, I think it's only important, it's only fair that we listen to them.
Yeah, but then,
so let me speak about the
sit.
sit. Let me speak about the sit. I'm so sorry. Okay. Let me speak about the sit. Rosa Parks, the person that we celebrate today in America, looked at the history of, subjugation of black people, and she refused to get up from her sit. I'm not trying to equate Natasha with Rosa Parks, but was saying that because she graciously came to give an interview here, and to give you context as to why she felt the way that she was being subjugated, because there was a history between her and the Senate president. And she alleges that the Senate president said, if you take care of me, you would have a smooth ride. She alleges that if you take care of me, you would have a smooth ride. Yes, she alleges, but it's not only her voice that we've heard about an allegation, about the Senate president sexually harassing a woman.
That doesn't still mean that she was right.
Miss Joy Nunez, 2020 NDDC, in 2020, also accused the Senate president of, sexually harassing her. So you look at, and she said she even slapped him. So you look at all of these instances, and you wonder how he became a Senate president in the first place, because you need character to be able to be there.
Naira, these are the kind of people we're supposed to sit properly and listen to. These are the kind of people I recommend to rule us in our country. People who can speak truth to power. You see, she's bold, brave. She speaks truth to power against Senator or Akpabio or Senate President Akpabio, anyhow I want to call her. My people, we don't know much. As we see them, that's what they carry them. I say, make I carry these 3 videos, I can give you that. May not be like saying only my opinionism can be put to this. You put down for the comment section. What is your take about what is currently going on with Natasha versus Akpabio versus skirts versus Tosh versus room make me happy, drawers open and close and all that? What is your own take? Because if we allow this to slide like that, like normally we allow everything to slide for this country, that makes us not there anywhere. So you put it now. What is your own take? I appreciate you all, my people. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys 7 p.m. Nigerian time on NAIJA Watch Media. Take care and bye for now.